Drink some water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since my last video, but I'm back for a little while, I guess. I just came back because I wanted to do like this vlog series or video series of me preparing for Carnival, and this is going to be the first video of those set of videos. It's probably going to be in different kind of order. It's probably not going to be sequential. It's just going to be all over the place, but I wanted to share my excitement for Carnival with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, all I talk about is Carnival, 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 Carnival. If you don't know what Carnival is, in the Caribbean and even Spanish countries also, yeah, they have Carnival, which is like this big festival, and in Trinidad we have it on the February 24th and 25th, and I am playing mass for the first time in my life. Okay, not in my life, in Trinidad. In my life. I played in Grenada before, but yeah, I'm playing in Trinidad, and Trinidad is like the mecca of Carnival. Well, to me it is. I know other islands are probably going to disagree, but secretly they know that Trinidad is the mecca for Carnival. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm probably going to be annoying talking about Carnival all the time, but if you want to follow any of my Carnival updates and posts, I'm trying to post every day Carnival related stuff. So follow me on Instagram, I'll put it on the screen. You can follow me on Twitter. I'll probably be talking about Carnival, talking about getting my body ready for Carnival, because yeah, I want to be looking real good. So yeah, into this video now. So I'm going to do my own hair for Carnival because I make wigs and I dye my own wigs. I'm not an expert at all. Like, I'm trying to learn. That's why I keep doing my hair, because I want to learn to do it really well before I even try to do someone else's hair. So I got hair from BeautyForever hair, which is, they have their own website, and I think they have an AliExpress store also. A lot of YouTubers that I follow, like Aaliyah's Face, she uses BeautyForever a lot, so I just thought I'll give them a try. So this is the hair. I'm gonna make 2 wigs, so I got like 2 different types of hair. I got a curly one and then I got a straight one. I'm not gonna give away or tell anybody, except, well, I've told like people already, but people I know that I can trust, what I'm gonna do with my hair exactly. But I did want to do an unboxing video as my first video for Carnival. Blah 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 blah. You get the idea. So let's look at the hair, I guess. The first hair that I got, it's blonde, like the 613 hair. I've always wanted 613 hair so I could experiment with color. So the fact that I got 613, at least you know that I'm probably gonna do a color that you can't really do with 1B or black hair that weave normally comes in, or bundles usually come in. So this is a 613 hair. I'm just gonna really talk about the frontal. Really, I took this out of the package already, so it's not really an unboxing for me per se, but yeah, when I took it out, the first thing I did was smelt it, and this is the best smelling hair I've ever gotten. Like, usually when I get hair, it smells chemically, usually smells like chemicals, and this smells so good, like so good. So this is the hair. This is what the hair looks like. This is the lace, as you can see, which I really like. I like that it's like blonde-ish, I guess. I mean, it's not transparently, so it still has a tint to it, as you can see, but I am gonna try to finesse it as much as I can to look really good. The frontal is really thick. There's no shedding. Oh, I lie. There's like 1 or 2 strands, but I mean, I guess this is the first time I'm like combing through it. So yeah. I don't think I don't think it should be that bad. Hopefully, cross his fingers, because I recently bought hair from Icy Hair and that hair has been shedding. So I hope that this doesn't shed too much. But this is the first time I'm combing through it, so I feel like if it's the first time, I'm gonna have some hair coming out. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the bundle. The frontal that I got is 14 inches. The bundles was 14, 16, and 18. I wanted to have really long hair for Carnival, but I also wanted to have 2 wigs. So, you know, money. So I had to, you know, give in some way. I think both of the set of bundles that I got was 14, 16, 18, and the frontal was 14. Cause you know I ain't got all that money. So yeah, this is the bundle. This is the first time I'm taking it out. It's not shedding. So that's good. It's not shedding. It smells so good. Oh my god. And yeah, I got this in a body wave, as you can see, and yeah, I mean, it's just 613 hair. The bundle is pretty thick, like, you know, all the regular schmegular things. There's not much I can say for an unboxing because I haven't really used the hair yet to know like how good the quality is. So my next video will be about the quality of the hair, etc. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty good, you know. I like it. The next frontal, this is, what texture did I get this in? I forgot the texture, but I'll put it down below. But it's a curly one, obviously. The lace on this one looks like it's darker, but it could be because the hair itself is darker, so from contrasting, like, it makes it look like it's darker. I think it is darker, I'm not too sure. I don't really like the fact that it's dark lace. I should have probably looked to get transparent lace, but I was so excited that I didn't really think it through. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make this work. It's pretty full, and yeah, it's good. Like, compared to other frontals that I've gotten, it's shedding. It's, you know, hair is coming out. I don't know if you can see that, but again, this is the first time I'm combing through it, so I can expect to get some shedding from it. This is the bundle. Pretty thick bundle, like what I expect a bundle to be. Is not thinner than previous hair that I've gotten. It's pretty good, no shedding. I like the texture. I love curly hair. Like, curly hair is the best. I feel like curly hair suits me the best. So yeah, I like it, and as I said, it smells really good. There's not much more I can say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's like one of the first things that I've gotten for Carnival. I'm trying to get everything like one at a time, every other week or something, so it doesn't feel like I'm spending a whole lot of money, because Carnival is gonna be super expensive. At the end of this series, I'm gonna do a video on how much I've spent and mistakes that I've probably made, and how I could spend my money better and more wisely. Yeah. Yeah, and also my next video, I will be, maybe it might not be my next video, but I will do a video of me dyeing this hair and finessing this hair, making it into a wig, etc. It probably might, that video might go up after Carnival, because I don't want anybody to see what my hair is gonna look like before Carnival. So yeah, I know it's kind of all over the place. Every time I do a video, it's all over the place because I don't do videos consistently where I get comfortable, because every time I do a video I feel kind of uncomfortable and I'm kind of all over the place. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Follow me on Instagram to get more Carnival updates, and especially if you're not from the Caribbean and you really want to know what Carnival is about and like just experience my culture, you should follow me on Instagram and yeah, interact with me, ask me questions. If you're interested in like coming to Carnival one year, you can ask me anything. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.